Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making something incredibly easy, healthy-ish, and honestly, dangerously good. This is my chocolate banana oat mug cake. It's eggless, super soft, ultra moist, and has that slightly fudgy center that just melts when you dig in. So before we start, quick question for you. Do you like your mug cakes more cakey or slightly gooey in the center? Comment down below. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Into your mug, add 4 tablespoons oat flour, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, a tiny pinch of salt. Now give this a really good mix. Take your time here. This step actually matters more than people think. Now let's bring this to life. Add 5 tablespoons milk, 1½ tablespoons maple syrup or honey, 1 tablespoon oil, a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. And now, the star ingredient, 3 tablespoons of mashed ripe banana. Make sure your banana is really ripe. Those brown spots, that's good. It makes the cake naturally sweeter, softer, and gives that almost brownie-like texture. Now mix everything together slowly. You'll see it turn into this thick, glossy batter. Now add 1 tablespoon dark chocolate chips. Fold them in gently. Now pop your mug into the microwave. Cook for about 60 to 80 seconds. Here's the key. The center should look slightly soft when you take it out. Don't overcook it, because it continues cooking as it rests. Let's make a quick, healthy chocolate frosting. In a small bowl, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 teaspoon peanut butter. Optional but so good. Mix until smooth and glossy. Spread it over your warm cake. Watch it slightly melt into the top. And if you want that bakery-style finish, add some colorful sprinkles. Now grab a spoon, break into that soft center. See that slightly fudgy texture? That's exactly what we wanted. If you try this, tell me, did you go for gooey or fully cooked? And what add-ins did you use? Don't forget to follow my channel, and if you loved this one, you're going to love the other mug cakes on this channel. See you in the next one.